Lesson 6. How are you? Practical use. Now, when we know how to use the verb to be in different types of sentences, and we have some basic vocabulary, we can go on and take a look at the real life conversation. It may sound like this. Hi Kate, how are you? Hi John, I'm good, thanks. How about you? I'm great. How's the weather in London? It's sunny. I'm very happy that it is not rainy. Wow, it's very good. Is it warm in Warsaw? Yes, it is. Take a look again at this dialogue. There are some parts of it in bold. These are the sentence structures and the vocabulary that we have gathered in this module. And the whole conversation it's called small talk, which is a polite conversation about unimportant or uncontroversial matters, especially as engaging on special social occasions. It's really good to know about small talk, that it's a part of the English speakers' culture. In many different cultures, it's not that common. I come from Poland, and here nobody talks like that. So for me, it was not only about studying the language, but also studying a culture of English speaking countries. So bear that in mind, okay?